Welcome to the future students, to YAMK.
Yes, welcome here to YAM.
Moi, my name is Armin. I'm still a nursing student and I'm graduating this year.
And hello, my name is Faith. I graduated from YAMK a few months ago. I came across the new bilingual education system in the YAMK's program. And it's so interesting that this bilingual system gives students the opportunity to study in English, and at the same time they also study Finnish gradually, so that by the time they're done with the school, they are able to use Finnish in their working lives.
And so, first of all, I have to say, as it's known that Finland has a good education system. So,
Yes.
and when this comes across, I think it's giving good benefits because for nurses, as far as I know, the Finnish language is much more important than a person just came here to live, and especially learning like Finnish in nursing. And since like this program is mixed, and you're studying English and Finnish at the same time, but of course, Finnish in the beginning is gonna be difficult. It was like difficult for all of us.
Yes, and what I love about this system, it's designed for the beginners. So even if you don't speak any Finnish,
Exactly.
this program is designed for you. And here at YAMK we have very supportive Finnish teachers, and at the same time in the clinical placements we have colleagues who are so patient and encouraging in such a way that you will have a safe space to learn Finnish.
When you are learning Finnish from a person who is Finnish, that is always the best way to learn.
Yes, and the same way you've said that we have teachers, we also have students who come from
Exactly.
different parts of the country and different parts of the world. And this gives you an opportunity to study in a multicultural environment. And this multicultural environment makes learning more richer and makes learning open-minded.
When you're studying with different students, Finnish, like people from Africa, Asia, all of them, you're getting a different mindset of them, and you're learning their attitude, and also you're learning the culture sensitiveness. Because like when it's coming to the clinical training, you will definitely witness the culture difference. That's what you have to consider more, and what you have to be more careful of how you speak and how you behave with them. And then it's making you already like kind of pre-used to all the differences that you don't get like a big culture shock. And then you can have a good clinical training, is it not?
Yeah, exactly. It makes you not only grow more as a nurse, but also more as a person, as an individual.
And also, you're learning different stuff for the nursing in the other countries, and you can see a difference of the nursing in Finland and like in other countries. I can say that what I have seen differences for regarding my country and Finland, like there was, I think, more benefits in the differentiation.
Okay, Armin, if I may ask you, how did you learn Finnish?
Well, I have taken the courses at the school because I need to learn the basics and the grammars and the words. But then when I had some knowledge, when I went to my first clinical training, it always happens in English. Like you have a mentor who is guiding you in English. But then by the time you are trying to speak Finnish, you are trying to make your sentences, making mistakes, and the best way to learn is making mistakes.
Yes.
And I can say my most knowledge came from like speaking. I mean, the more good point is to speak, not to be silent. And since this is bilingual, so you are using Finnish more often at school and at classes, and you keep talking, and then you're getting more.
Yes.
That's the way.
Yeah, exactly. I also learned Finnish in the same way, and I can say that self-motivation is the key to learn this language in such a way that you use Finnish in your everyday life, you think in Finnish, and slowly the language will surely come.
And like nursing Finnish is different than a normal life Finnish, is it not?
Sure,
It's very different.
Yes.
Like at the school, you are learning the Finnish terms of the nursing terms. So that's more useful for you to use at work. Like if someone just learns Finnish outside, I don't think it's enough for it, like to go to trainings.
Yes. And when you learn the Finnish language together with the education you get from YAMK, finding a job in Finland becomes more realistic. Yeah.
Exactly. Finland, like you're learning official way, like they say the kirjakieli. So it's kind of the way it's writing and the most people are speaking the same way, there is no different accents and dialogues, then you get to use it better. And then I think Yamk is also located in a good city
Yes.
beyond the other benefits.
Yes. So the school and the clinical placements gives us the tools we need to learn the language. It gives us enough support in such a way that by the time you graduate, you have the competence and the confidence to get into the nursing field.
Exactly.
Yes.
And I think one of the good points, like it's mentioned as applied science university, but the certificate you are getting is already a university degree.
Sure.
And as far as I know, it's like in the European level, it's level 6.
Yeah.
So it's easily, if someone want to move out, they can go out. I mean, different country migrate. So because it's acceptable already. But of course, here in the Finland, they can still continue working. And so can I ask you that when did you find your first job actually?
Actually found my first job when I just started school. I had around 40 credits. That was still in my first year. So at that moment, I just had a very small amount of Finnish language. So, and then
Exactly.
slow by slowly, the Finnish language developed, and that's how I got through.
Same for me. Like I remember when we came here, we just learned a word, noni. They said that you can use it for whatever you want. Whoever
Yeah.
says something, just use that. I went to
Yes.
the work with that knowledge in the first year after like 60 credits. And then I got to work and I continued. But I think for me it was more difficult because, of course, I was working and learning, but it's still like there was a kind of a pressure, that you cannot like answer to the questions. When the patient is asking something, you are becoming so like so lost, let's say that. But now when the new students are coming and studying, luckily they are learning much more than us regarding our first year. Then even when they pass to the work, they can get used to work much more easier than us.
Yes, and so this is why the bilingual system was designed. It's made to support the students right from the beginning, right from day one. Yes,
Exactly.
and it's
From 0 to 100, or
Sure.
maybe not 100, but it's still, if someone try hard, that is what I say. If someone try hard and have a motivation, they can learn. And good culture difference in Finland is that doesn't matter you speak good Finnish or bad Finnish. Anyway, they're always supporting you. Like they never laughed at me. I made a lot of stupid mistakes, but always they were a little bit laughing and again correcting me. Then that time I was remembering very well.
Yes, the patience and the encouragement of people in the clinical placements is what made me be able to work with the little Finnish I had, even
Yeah.
though I didn't have the confidence yet.
Then, if I want to also mention something out of the language about the school, I think, do you remember those like networking days, the stands that were coming to the school?
Yes, I remember them.
So, like, we have like Tehu, Sote, then like people are making good networkings here at YAMK. Like, basically every month we have some networking, and in the first full day are different distance. It's a possibility to make a network, which is way, way important than anything, I think, abroad. Because networking is the key point of finding work and becoming successful. And the stands are coming, you are talking with them, you're getting different information, you are even getting maybe a job, then you're learning much more. Well, that is kind of numerous that we have it.
Yeah, sure. So what can we tell to the new students who want to come to YAMK?
I can tell that be with a positive perspective when you're coming here and be sure that whatever you try hard at this school, you can get your efforts back. I mean, I can say that nothing is coming without efforts. And of course, it's gonna be for you challenging, but don't scare. Because I believe, like, during the challenge, human is becoming more successful. If there is no challenge and everything goes straight forward, then nothing gonna be happen. And it is bilingual, so you will learn Finnish easier. Then it's mixed group. You will have different friends from different culture. You will learn culture attitudes as well as possible.
Yeah.
Then there would be challenge, but just try it. Don't be scared.
Yes.
Is it not?
Yeah. Self-motivation is important, and we have enough support here in YAMK and also in the clinical placements. And we did it. We learned the language. You can also learn the language.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So let's say then, welcome to the new students
Welcome to the new students
for Young,
to YAMK.
and then studying
Growing.
and building your career in nursing program together.
Welcome.
Welcome, and we will wait to see you here.
See you.